Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dude, Farmson is just winning in that sand stuff. Wait, I might even win. I might even win. Come on, Obu. Come on. I'm winning. I'm winning. Obu did it. Come on, Obu. Yes, sir. All right, let's get back over there, Farmson. Sorry for the lag, dude. Alright, we're on our way back. We won't be there tonight, though. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Oh, who's this? Wyatt game in a different truck. Why does everybody got a black truck? I only got like a baby truck. Alright. Get ready, guys. Start your engines. Time to roll coal, boys. Here we go. Yep, I'm on that coal. Here we go. We're rolling coal now. Uh-oh, Cash is gone. Farmston's right here, though. It's neck against the Ford and the International towards the other two International 10 stars. Alright, let's try to end it off. Here we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I did not expect that to go as well. I stalled out. I just stalled out. Oh, man. Yeah, let's restart that. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Well, let's try to finish this up in a hurry, though. It's kind of late for me right now, but yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright. On the count of my horn, we'll go. Oh. What the heck? Why do you take off? Lawrenson just took off, man. Alright, never mind. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, I keep stalling out the truck. What the heck? Alright, never mind. Well, I'm behind the Ford and the International. Come on, White. You got this. I think White's winning. Oh, no. Oh, dang. Well, I might be able to get ahead of Lambo. Yep. Woo, go, yeah. First win of the day. Alright, well, that's to do it for this video, guys. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. This is Dad, Coach Guy, and God bless. Have a good night or good day, whatever. And bye.